So now I will discuss about what is political theory and its nature. So the English word theory originates from the Greek word theoria, which means a well-focused mental look on a particular matter with an intention to grasp it. That means you are looking towards a particular matter with an intention to know what it is. Theory generally tries to explain phenomena. Phenomena means event. Of political theory generally tries to explain phenomena either partially or fully. That means any event, a theory generally try to explain the event fully, and sometimes it may not be possible for them to explain the event fully, then sometimes they explain it partially even. So the concept of political theory means a systematic knowledge of political phenomena. Phenomena means various events, various incidents of political science which are systematically discussed through political theory. A particular political theorist reflects on a particular incident. Generally, for a particular political thinker, it is not possible to discuss each and everything. So he generally chooses a particular incident which is of his own choice. Why? He chooses that particular phenomena so that he can understand it, he can analyze it, and through his analysis, he can, if necessary, he can change it. That is political theory. So now we will discuss about the nature of political theory. Number one, political theory is theory of politics. Anything which is within the purview or within the scope of politics is generally the thing of interest of the political thinkers. It seeks to understand, analyze, and explain the phenomena of politics. Any phenomena, any incident, any event of political science of their own choice, they take in it and try to understand it, try to analyze it, and try to explain it so that other peoples get benefit from that theory. And that is why it is reformative in character. That means the main intention of the theoreticians is to change the society through their theory, through their analysis. Then number two, political theory, like an ideology, also includes a set of beliefs, values, and ideas which are accepted by the people in the process of their governance. That means political theory generally influenced by some certain ideology. Those who are the theoreticians, they generally follow intentionally or unintentionally certain ideology, certain beliefs, certain values, certain ideas which generally influence their thinking or their theory. No person who is generally trying to analyze the political phenomena, they are ideology-less. They are following certain ideology, they are following certain beliefs, they have certain values in their mind, and it differ from one another. That is why political theory is not uniform in character, because their thinking are different. Then next one is political theory involves systematic reflection on politics or state or government or political institution. Anything, systematic reflection on politics or state or government, any other activities of any political institution or government or state or policy of the government, these things are actually systematically discussed or systematically explained by the political theorist. Then political theory may be normative or empirical or both. So what is normative? Normative means what ought to be. That means normative is related with morality, and empirical means which is practical. So sometimes some theory, as for example, if we take the example of Plato and Aristotle, especially Plato, most of his theory is normative. Normative means he always very much interested to establish a theory which can establish morality, value in the society. So that type of theories are known as normative theory. But number of later political thinkers, they have established their theories which are much more practical. So political theory may be either normative, that means either may be value oriented, or may be practical, or both. Okay, then scope of political theory covers all areas of political relation. Any relation, it may be international relation, it may be relation between state and government, it may be relation between government and other kind of association, or maybe relation between state and individual. Everything are included in the scope of political theory. So, and political theory is related with state, with government, with political institutions, and it is the handiwork of philosophers, historians, economists, theologians. That means who are actually responsible, or who are actually take the burden of creating political theory. Sometimes some philosophers, sometimes some historians, sometimes some economists. Number of economists also, they have developed political theory, because one time there was no difference between economics and political science. Then sociologists also developed their own political theory. Nowadays journalists are very much active. They also establish their own concept. So number of people belonging to different vocation, belonging to different occupations, they are actually responsible or take the burden to write political theory. So this is in nutshell about the nature of political theory. So always try to remember what is political theory. Theory means what? It is from Greek word which means well-focused mental look. That means you will look after a particular event with a mind that you should have to explain it, you should have to find out something new from that, and you will try to help the society. Okay, thank you today this much. So in my next class I will discuss about the scope of political theory. Thank you again.